Good morning, everyone. We are in Terlingua, Texas at the Roadrunner RV Park, and I'm going to give you just a quick tour, and this is going to be super quick because this is a no frills RV park. They currently have no facilities, no bathrooms, no showers, so you have to be a fully contained unit. But the views, from our spot at least, are pretty spectacular. All the spots are gravel with a gravel dirt lawn, I guess you would call it. They do have full hookups, but like I said, no facilities. The roads are rough. I mean, they're rough inside the park. There is no office at this park, so your check-in is on this check-in board. Everything we did was via email and telephone. There is a Mexican restaurant right there, that green building. And right across the street is a liquor store / convenience store, I guess, but more liquor store than anything else. We are about quarter mile or half mile from FM 118, which is the road that leads into Big Bend National Park. So it's very convenient to the entrance of the park. It's only about a 10-minute drive to the entrance. This is a new park, so all of the landscape is very juvenile. I will say this, the night skies are magnificent. There's very little light pollution, and of course Big Bend area is known for its night skies, and it is pretty wonderful. So as you can see, it's pretty no frills. Here's Vinny and Ruby in our spot. We're getting ready to leave this morning. I believe we paid $40 a night for this park. And so that's it. This is the Roadrunner RV Park in Terlingua, Texas, right at the entrance, or pretty close to the entrance of Big Bend National Park.